Very good morning class. Again I am here and we have till covered the present tense, all four kind of parts of it, simple continuous, perfect, imperfect continuous, as well as we have covered the past tense also. Now today we are going to learn about future tense. So future simple tense. First is affirmative sentence, that is subject plus helping verb, that is will or shall plus verb first form plus object. Now many students are getting confused, where to use will and where to use shall. Shall I use with I or we, and this is for every subject. But here the shall is just not an auxiliary verb, it is just not the helping verb, but it is a modal verb also. And modal verb shall shows willingness, instructions, wish, offer, proposals. So if I write we shall go to school, or if I write I shall go to school, or I can write I will go to school. These all three sentences are absolutely and grammatically correct. I can use will and shall with I can use will also with I and shall also with I grammatically. Reason being that when I am showing my willingness or when I want to show instructions, offers, proposals, wishes, then I can use shall, and to predict a simple future event I can use will. Now we will understand the negative formula. So negative is subject plus helping verb, that is will or shall plus not plus verb first form plus object. Let's frame a sentence. He will not go to school. Next one is interrogative formula, starts with the helping verb, that is will and shall plus subject plus verb first form plus object. Here I can write shall we go to school. Now next we will learn is interrogative negative formula. Very quickly I am going to write it for you. Interrogative negative formula is helping verb, that is shall and will plus subject plus not plus verb first form plus object. Let's frame a sentence with it. Shall we not go to school? Next one is WH interrogative formula, which is WH word plus helping verb, that is shall or will plus subject plus verb first form plus object. Let's frame a sentence with it. Why shall we go to school. And the last one is WH interrogative negative formula, that is WH word plus helping verb, that is shall or will, plus subject plus not plus verb first form plus object. Let's frame a sentence. Why shall we not go to school? These are the 6 formulas, class. Now we will study about future continuous tense. Again, I am writing it for you. Kindly copy it down. Future continuous tense. Affirmative formula for this is subject plus helping verb, that is will or shall plus be plus verb first form and ing plus object. Let's frame a sentence with it. He will be going to school. Next is negative subject plus helping verb, that is will or shall plus not plus be plus verb first form and ing plus object. Example is he will not be going to school. Now we will learn interrogative formula here. So I am writing it for you. Interrogative formula is helping verb, that is will or shall plus subject plus be plus verb first form and ing plus object. So it becomes will he be going to school. Next one is interrogative negative formula, that is helping verb will and shall plus subject plus not plus be plus verb first form and ing plus object. Let's frame a sentence. Will he not be going to school? Now two more we have, that is WH interrogative and WH interrogative negative. WH interrogative first is WH word plus helping verb, that is will and shall plus subject plus be plus verb first form and ing plus object. So I can write it like Why will he be going to school? And the last one is WH interrogative negative formula, which is WH word plus helping word, that is will or shall plus subject plus not plus be plus verb first form and ing plus object, and it becomes why will he not be going to school? So class, this is what I have told you. I have told you today also 6 plus 6, 12 formulas, 6 for the future simple tense, 6 for the future continuous tense. What is your homework? You know very well. First, write all these formulas into your notebook and learn it. After that, you have to frame 2 sentences for every kind of formula. 12 formulas I have told you, sentences will be 24. So this is all about the class of the day. Tomorrow I will come and we will finish our future tense also. Then our tense part will be finished and we will do some practice, some exercises to understand it in a better way. Till then class, study wisely and stay safe and happy. Thank you. Have a good day.